welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning into my first YouTube video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. I bought some hair from Units by K on Instagram, so get at her. I will put her link or her Instagram name in my description below. And while you're here, please hit that subscribe button and become a subscriber. Thank you. So this is the bag the hair did come inside of when I went to pick up my package. It did have a little net on it as well, but I did take it off prior to recording to the video and it kind of got stuck on my nail. But this is 26-inch 6/13 body wave hair. Again, I got it from Units by K on Instagram. I will put it in the description below. It's very soft and manageable, honestly, lightweight hair type of hair. It does come with 4 combs in the inside of the wig, also with adjustable straps. For my small little pea head, I definitely had to adjust it. But as I was adjusting it, I realized that it has lace in the back of the wig, meaning you could pull it up, honey, and I was shook. That means I could wear my little genie ponytails as long as I please, because I've been fiending for a little ponytail for a minute. I went to smell it just to see what it smelled like, and I went to put it on anyways. But it doesn't have a smell. It just has that slight little perm smell, but it's nothing too strong or anything like that. I never tried 613 hair, so I was kind of nervous of what it was going to look like on me. But like I said, it is lightweight, it is manageable, and it's real cute anyways. But I'm going to stick to my little wild colors and my natural black and browns. Like I said, it is a lace front, so you can part it however you want to. But for whatever reason, when I went to part this, it was really stiff and it wasn't letting me part the hair how I wanted to. Like, whatever they put on this lace front, honey, that side part was meant to stay. They was like, this side part is here and this is how you're going to wear it, so be happy. So I was like, let me go ahead and wash it, because if I wash it, it'll come out. So I washed the hair with my Cantu that I had here at home. I usually wash my wigs with Pantene, but I left my Pantene back at school, so yeah, I'll deal with that later. So I went ahead and washed the hair and combed it out as well to see if it would shed again, because like I said, it did not shed when I first took it out the package. So once I washed it, it still didn't shed. So I went to comb it out, bottom to top, and it was so silky smooth still, and still was okay. Like, nothing shed, no strains, no anything. And my theory also was correct. Once you wash the hair, you can still part it however you want to. I was going to part it, and I realized that you guys could not see the front of the wig, so I had to flip the camera over, but I still was correct. You can part it however you want to. Side part, middle part, straight back, however. So I did try to record me parting the hair with one hand, and that did not work out. But like I said, once you wash the hair, the lace front part, because whatever they put in it made it real stiff, once you wash that out, you'll be perfectly fine to do it as you please. Give it some braids, some curls, like another part, like I said, and then I let it dry for 24 hours. And this is how it came out. It does come with baby hairs as well. If you like baby hairs, do your thing. Me personally, I don't know what to do with baby hair, so I'll figure that out. But thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and like and subscribe.